We are all trying to get our vitamins and nutrients in some way. Two popular ones are juicing and blending, which are just ways of grinding down veggies and fruits to quickly get all that healthy stuff into your body. The debate around juices versus smoothies has been a long one, and it doesn't seem like it's going to be done anytime soon. Fans of both methods agree that the other one has benefits too, but they just believe that their favorite outweighs them. So, who is in the right when it comes to blending versus juicing? Today, we are going to take a look at just that in the hopes of finding an answer to which is healthier. Number 1, fiber. Fiber is a big deal. It can make you feel fuller and prevent cravings, which in turn helps to stop you from snacking. It is also really important in helping regulate your gut health and can help prevent discomfort or digestive issues that plague so many of us. When it comes to juicing, the process essentially robs you of getting any of that fiber, which is a real shame. Blending shines in this regard, and this is most of the argument in favor of it. This is where blending ultimately gets the nod, and where it is most superior to juicing. Fiber is part of the reason that people eat fruit in the first place, so it is a deal breaker for some to lose out on that. Number 2, concentration. Juicing is the more efficient option between the two, being able to give you a greater concentration of nutrients in one convenient cup. Most of us don't want to chug away at a protein smoothie to get the same amount of nutrients as juicing. So often we are missing out on some of that when we opt to blend something. Juicing is much better in this regard and gives you in a single glass what might take several smoothies to get from blending. Juicing is just that, juice, so your body is able to take it in as liquid. The fiber and pulp of smoothies, no matter how long you run the blender, makes it sometimes difficult for people to consume a lot of them. Juicing can help people that don't have a big appetite get nutrients and can also be transported more easily and taken with you to work without having to alert the entire office. Number 3, antioxidants. With juicing, you lose out on the pulp and fiber of the fruit or veggie that you are juicing. This is unfortunate because that stuff is really good for you. Blending is the superior pick here because you get the antioxidant benefits that they provide. Antioxidants help with your heart health and also help lower blood pressure and ensure that your blood isn't experiencing blockages or impasses anywhere along your body. These can obviously be dangerous, and so many people drink smoothies just for the antioxidant boost. Losing this in juicing is truly unfortunate because antioxidants are such an important part of our lives and are mainly found in the exact things you're juicing. Number 4, ease of digestion. When it comes to digestion, juicing has the edge over smoothies because it is able to finely grind the food down so that your body isn't going to have any trouble getting the nutrients from it. It will just digest it as a liquid. But the benefit here is that it is actually a really healthy liquid instead of just water. This is why most juicing enthusiasts claim that juicing is the superior option, and why people with digestive problems will flock to it. If you are comfortable getting your fiber intake from other sources, then juicing will ensure that you get all the vitamins that you need without having to deal with any potential issues. This is a very important point for people that struggle to eat or keep food down, as it puts far less strain on them. Number 5, sugar. One thing that both of these options have in common is sugar. Unfortunately, there is a lot of sugar to be found in both juice and smoothies. And neither is as healthy as if you just ate the ingredients without processing them down. If you are getting your juice or smoothie from the store instead of making it at home, then there will almost definitely be some added sugar in there too. This makes both options dicey in the eyes of some specialists, while others claim that it's better to get some of the benefits from drinking something you like than none at all if you don't typically eat many fruits or veggies. Do you prefer getting your nutrients from juicing or from smoothies? Let us know in the comments below. Here are 2 more videos you might find interesting. Feel free to choose the one you like. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share the video with your friends. And for more interesting videos on health, subscribe to the channel.